tell. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Hot week. So, yeah.
How you doing tonight? You
all right?
I don't even know what I'm doing here.
For 38 years.
crazy shit up here. I hope the sound's all right out there.
I already told Maurice. Yo.
My name is Amanda
Move, I'm
Holstein,
busting
and my
this shit
company is
out. He's
Amanda
like-
Holstein Designs. I offer custom interior design, custom artwork. I've been recently doing murals as well, and tapping a little bit into wedding design recently too.
Yo,
A lot of the designs that we did in this project ended up needing to be custom because it's such an old home. The homeowner also just has such a unique personality and really wanted that to come through in the house. We were really going for California, San Francisco, really pulling out Jeannie's personality. She's bubbly, she loves to surf, she loves the ocean. So this blue was really...
Look at that pad. I'm a 1/4 inch past. Always. Yeah, don't shortchange yourself ever. And always make it a 1/4. You're looking for the depth. I always do. Even if my roots tight, they always go up a little. Yeah. They give that kick. You know.
I got it. I wouldn't say 1/4 high, but I got it.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Because I look at some of these guys, they shortchange them. So I'm like, oh no, I want more. So, you're going to take the 2 clamps, take the plank off, and then, give me a minute, I'll be over. Okay. Yeah, real work. Thank you. So, Yeah, we're having issues here. Fucking right. You have no idea. But I love this shit too much, so we are making a difference. You have no idea. But did you see what I did here? That was a big gap. So I didn't want to lay into it, so I pretty much did like a skim coat. So this pad coming across now is my hot pass. Oh, I'm in deep. Doing this for years. Number one, I was thin on this side with the bar. As you can see, I got like an 1/8. So you lay too much heat on there. Like I said, any bad fit up, you blow through the backup bar, we're air arcing it out and then catching the seam and then filling it out with an overhead. We don't let that happen. That's why you do what you do. You do you, I do me. So this is my gig. I hope everybody's good. I just been super busy, dude. We were working 12s, 10s, now we're down to 8s for right now. Softball is king. Bat busters. OC bat busters. So, I haven't done many videos. My phone pretty much is terrible. But, no, I'm happy. Yeah, she took a hit, so.
So this blue was really the big inspiration for the kitchen. Feels very ocean, but fun and timeless. And then the copper vent hood just added this touch of glam that feels very dreamy as well.
But, yeah. This is what I love to do, man. Got my Godfather set up. That's it, man. NR 305, dude. I'm telling you. Great water. Yeah, my fingers are better. Get better. All the years of connecting. Trigger finger. But yeah. So, if you guys want to be structural welders, there you go. What it's supposed to look like. That's my beat. But thanks to my subscribers. Sorry I didn't get back. Answering any of the comments, I'm sorry. But June here. Oh, to my daughter AP. Happy birthday today. 17. You make me so proud, bro. Here's your push. Yeah, bleh. Here's your push to get committed for softball. Thanks to the OC Bat Busters. I just wanted to say thank you to Coach Mike Stith, Coach Jason Zahn, Coach Rick Kresley, Coach John Judge, and Yo Colt. Thanks. It hasn't been pretty, you know, emotional. Especially, you guys know what went down. But I'm just proud of how everything's working out, and hard work pays off, as you see. But happy birthday, Ava. I love you. Big weekend. Yo, you got it going on. And just wanted to say, yo, we need structural iron workers certified to weld in the union iron worker industry. All you young talent out there, men and women, get into it. It's in demand, and make a great living. So, building America. So, here again, working off the Godfather. Can't use a beam chair because of the bent plate. Now the bent plate's all cut out for the curtain wall, so that's why this design I did in '96 is still #1, bro. I just blow stuff away. I got some of these, my buddy Anthony's doing the other moments. A lot of these guys don't even know. I'm telling you, I see it. And I ain't no bullshitter. It might be different on the West Coast. But, yeah, it's kind of frustrating, but I'm persistent. And I never give up the fight, so. This is how shit's done. Like I say, don't just weld the top moment and then deck and stud over it to try to turn the floor over and then come back when it's all sealed and make your welders weld. We don't play like that. So, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to say any freaking names, but I already said my freaking. So, that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Anyway. God bless America. Yo, Matt High! Anyway, I'll get back to you soon. fine. Freaking wire rush. No need to fear. NR 305, bro. Lincoln. Telling you. And then I'll come over outside. But yeah, everything's good. Oh shit. What is it? Today's the 20th, 21st, 22nd. Sunday's my birthday. Holy shit, I'll be 57 years old. Wow. What am I going on? My 38th, 39th year in this gig, and I love it. And I'm still highly competitive. Right, Braden? I'm gonna bury it, bro. Ugh. Ready, boys? Usually it's 11, 12. I forgot, this isn't Big Day Out. This is, I forget what this one is. It's pretty funny how they change it up. But here we go. Yo, all stringers. Column tie, middle, it's actually 3. Believe it or not. That's how wide you saw it, so. Yeah, this is an important one. A lot of the failures are right here, so. You want to do a weed beat? God bless you. funny. Respirators still with me after, holy shit, 30 years almost. Take care of stuff and laugh, believe it or not. That's how it's supposed to look, man. You got me? Thanks again. Local 401 Ironworkers, Philly, bro. Spinning you around a little bit. That's it, man. Look how wide that bad boy is. I talked to Maurice and said it's good, but don't burn the backup bar out. Any of the fit-ups with bad backup bars, we're air arcing them off if you guys want to ask. Any bad fit-up. That's mandatory Metallica. I'll open that up a touch. That one's delicious. That one's delicious. All good.